It's December 2018, and in this final project construction video, we'll look at the underground powerhouse tour that we provided to the public in September. We'll look at the permanent shutdown of the 71-year-old John Hart Generating Station in October, and then we'll celebrate the operational commissioning of this project. We had our fourth and final community site event to allow the public to come in and access this amazing facility to get underground. We had 8 buses running every 10 minutes, delivering about 1,240 people to the site. So within the powerhouse, you've heard it's 10 stories high. The top of the powerhouse is about 60 meters below the ground surface, and the bottom is about 100 meters below the ground surface, so there's about 4 floors below us.
I thought that it was really cool just to see how big it is, and I knew that it was big, but to see it with my own eyes, and just to know that we're generating electricity for 80,000 homes right here in our own backyard.
On October 11th, we had the final 2 generators of the 6 generators inside the old facility shut down.
1, 2, 3, 4. Well done.
And that was a surreal moment for us. So we had our staff that worked on the project for many years, and particularly our power pioneers, our retirees that had worked on the project, even going back many years ago. So we'll use the analogy of the favorite uncle, because it is John Hart after all. So he was, wait for it, energized. Full of energy. In fact, he was so full of energy, it took years for the community to keep up and to be able to tap into all that energy. And he was also dependable for many years and allowed the village of Campbell River to turn into a city. And that allowed residential and commercial industrial growth, like the pulp and paper mill. So it was basically a catalyst for Campbell River's growth. And for us, it was just that moment where the sounds went quiet, the vibrations stopped. And it was a moment to look back on the legacy that it had provided, but we need to always look back as we look forward with this new facility and what it will provide for Campbell River. We achieved our operational commissioning in November. And what that means is we have the low-level outlets downstream of the dam flowing, we have water flowing through the tunnels, we have our 3 generators that are operating, and we have our automated water bypass facility ready as needed. On December 13th, we celebrated the operational commissioning of this facility with First Nations, local government, and the provincial government.
What we've done here with our contractors and our team is we've created a great achievement with this brand new powerhouse, replacing the 71-year-old former plant, and we've got a plant here for the ages that will be safer, more reliable, and protect the downstream fish habitat.
We look back at our contractor, SNC-Lavalin, and Aecon, and General Electric. They've done a fantastic job in this project, and amazingly, they achieved 3.5 million person-hours of work without a lost time accident. Just an example of how successful this project has been. The final touches of this project, or overall completion, will go into 2019. We're very proud to say that this project continues to track on schedule and on budget. So thanks for following along and seeing this amazing facility unfold.